OMG guys, this is without a doubt the best bird trap ever, and it actually works. I have made this in a previous video of mine. If you want to know how to make it, go check it out. All it is a basket and a couple of sticks really, but as you can see there is a bird. I'm going to release it now, but if you want to make it, then just check out one of my other videos. So yeah, I've caught many birds in this, as I have said in many videos actually. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Gone. I actually only set that up yesterday, so I know the box is a bit battered. That was my actual copper box. I have 2 of these now. I only made that one yesterday. Right, if you like this, then check out some of my other videos and make sure you subscribe, so because you don't want to miss it. The next one, whatever. Like this.